We are coming up the road here, and we're gonna go see how far we can make up this road without scratching the Blazer. I don't really want to scratch it, but at the same time, I don't want to baby it a whole lot either. Some of these scratches probably just buff out, but we're gonna go check it out, try to get some footage of the Blazer. Looks like some people have been up here. Let's see. They probably went all the way to the top, but there's a good, I don't know, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches some spots. All right, folks, we actually we're making the first tracks here. Looks like a lot of people have walked up here for some odd reason, looking for deer sheds or elk sheds or I don't know what, but we are in fact making first tracks this storm. It's amazing how many people have walked up there.
Maybe they were sledding.
Yeah, maybe. Might have been. Huh. Interesting. There's a stick. Oh yeah, look at that, folks. This is amazing. I gotta get a little real phone here. Yeah, baby, fresh tracks.
Oh, down.
That's where she wants us to stop for now. Let me see this. Huh? Woo, that's pretty deep. All right, folks. It's not like deep, but it's kind of deep. Oh my gosh. Look at these views. I should have brought my bigger boots though. I'll tell you what. She's so slick here.
That felt like it was
It's like pure ice. I love it. Alright. Let's see if we can start crawling here. hard time, and then all of a sudden it just got easy. Like we were really struggling.
I'm not sure I'd say easy.
Huh?
I'm not sure I'd say it's easy.
Folks, that's the end of the road. I don't want to scratch the heck out of this thing. Do you? Because I don't. I was on photo. So we only made it up a certain amount because obviously the snow, and it just snowed overnight, and this morning it was snowing, and it probably dumped, I don't know, there's a good amount of snow here. Let's see, it snowed a pretty decent amount in some of these spots. The higher we go, obviously the more snow. So that being said, it might be fun to bring the Suburban or the Jeep back up here tomorrow or something. We just time marked it today. Not a lot of people are traveling up here, but I mean that snow was going up quite a ways in my tire here. And yeah, so I'm just gonna let it film on the drive back through the trees. It's just real pretty. Like you can just, all the snow on the trees. Let's see, let's get some footage of this tire off in the snow here. Film that. It's pretty deep. These are 38-inch tires right here. Granted, that's on the side. Woo. Oh man.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and where I'll go in life, still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right.